My name is Daniel Murfitt, and this video is a brief introduction to metauni. Metauni is a community of scholars in the metaverse. We've been running events in Roblox since January 2021, first using Discord for voice chat and since the beginning of 2022 using Roblox Spatial Voice. Each week we meet for a day full of seminars. The current topics include Foundations of Mathematics, Euclid's Elements, Algebraic Geometry, Coding in Roblox, Technological Disruption and Cryptography, and we expect the scope of metauni to expand over time. Metauni is open in two senses. Firstly, it's open for anyone to access using any device that supports Roblox from anywhere in the world. And secondly, it's open in the sense of open source. We have developed and released as open source the tools we use to support a rich intellectual life on Roblox's platform. Tools such as blackboards. We hope with this work to encourage others to follow in our footsteps, so that we can together create a vibrant academic life in beautiful virtual worlds. Metauni is a community effort, and as such I have asked the seminar organizers to introduce themselves and say a few words.
Hi, my name is Ken. I'm a mathematician working in industry right now, and every week I participate and co-organize seminars on Euclid, which we hope will be accessible to the general audience.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I am a Roblox developer of 10 years, and at metauni I teach coding seminars geared toward other Roblox developers. I like to talk about math that's used to solve common game development problems, and in doing so, spread my love of math with the rest of the community.
My name is Will Troiani. I'm a PhD student, mostly interested in mathematics, but also formal logic and aspects of computer science, in particular how these three things relate to each other. I've been talking inside the deprecation world about various aspects of mathematical foundations. To begin with, we proved Gödel's completeness theorem, and then we moved on to Gödel's first incompleteness theorem. We're hoping to continue beyond that onto aspects such as the compactness theorem, and then wherever else we decide to go from there.
Hi, I'm Billy. I'm a mathematician and lead developer at metauni. At the moment, I'm working on the drawing boards that we use for lectures to make them as efficient, reliable, and tangible as possible. These boards are a key instrument to metauni, since they allow us to communicate sophisticated visual information within the same immersive environment that we use to talk and interact with each other, as opposed to breaking the simulation with an external whiteboard sharing tool. I'm also a co-organizer of the Foundation Seminar with Will. We are discussing and proving Gödel's powerful theorems in mathematical logic and their peculiar consequences. Our aim with this seminar is to use these theorems and their proofs as a backdrop for discussion and often debate around our own personal philosophies of what mathematics is.
Hi, I'm Eleanor. I'm a PhD student at ETH Zurich in Switzerland, and I organize the cryptography seminar at metauni, where we discuss mathematical perspectives on cryptography. I'm trying to show a wider audience what we cryptographers get up to, and also how it can be really interesting mathematics.
Hello, I'm Edmund. I'm a PhD student at the University of Melbourne. I work in a field known as singular learning theory, and I have been co-organizing a seminar on the topic in metauni. Singular learning theory is a profound expansion of statistical learning theory by bringing in deep results from algebraic geometry. In this seminar, we aim to carefully go through motivations and fundamental results of this theory based on the works of Sumio Watanabe, who is the pioneer of the field.
Hi, I'm Adam Dorr. I'm an environmental scientist and technology theorist. I'm the director of research for RethinkX, an independent think tank, and I lead the Disruption seminar at metauni. Every week we talk about the future of technological change and what it might mean for society over the course of the 21st century.
Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, I'll be down to teach some algebraic geometry. I realized that I probably didn't learn it as well as I should have the first time through.